Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys why ChatGPT signup is unavailable. If signup is suddenly unavailable, it's almost always server overload. So let's fix it. Try again after a few minutes. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before trying again. Then disable any VPN or proxy if you're using them. Then scroll down and then make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and also make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. After that, try browser sign up instead of app. Open Safari app and then search for ChatGPT and try logging in or signing in from there. Tip: peak overload times evenings plus weekend. So try to log in or sign in the morning times or not so overloaded time, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.